Welcome to FreeCAD modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this friction plate, and I have already modeled it, and so I will provide this source file of my model and this 2D sketch in the video description, so you can practice with yourself with respect to 2D sketch, and in the case of any doubt you can view my 3D models. So let's start. So first I will create a new FreeCAD file, and I will go to the task and create a body and then create the sketch. So here I will create my sketch on XZ plane, and so first I will draw a circle of 154 and I will extrude it with a 10 mm because the side view is not given, so we will consider our rough thickness for this friction plate is 10 mm. So here is a circle of 154 which I will constrain with dimension 154, and I will close it and I will pad. So here I wanted to keep my model symmetric, so I will give the 2 dimension 5 mm each, and I will say OK. Now we will make this inner feature, this one. So for this, first I will extrude cut with diameter of 50, and then we will add up these dimensions here. So I will select my this face and I will say sketch, and I will draw a diameter of 50. I will say 50, close, and then I will make cut and I will say true all. Now we will make these features here, this cut. So for this we will select this face and say sketch, and I will draw a line here, and I will give angular dimension of 45, and I will make this line as a construction line, and here is a this slot cutout width is 12 mm, so I will draw the two line here and here, and I will make it parallel with this, and now I draw another line here, and I will make a perpendicular with my construction line, and here we have to remove the material, so 6 mm dimension is not that much important. In fact, we will make our sketch like this and we will remove the material. So here I will draw a line and I will say it parallel. So first I have not given the dimensions because when we have to trim it, and sometimes if you give dimensions and trim it, then some of the dimension may get removed. So first I will trim the unnecessary geometry. So you will have the both the option, either you can merge or you can trim, so better I go with the trim option. So here is the trim. I will trim this one. Now I will give my dimensions. So this I will take 10 mm. So here our diameter is 50 and it is given here 6, so the radius will be 25 plus 6 31. So I will select this line and this point, center point, and I will give it dimension of 31, and this point in this line a line dimension of 6, this point and this line, sorry, point and line 6. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will mirror this on the other side, for this side. So I will select all my sketch line here, and I will switch to the isometric view, and here is the option of the mirror sketch. And if I see my use here, so I wanted to mirror it with y-axis, so I will select y-axis and I will close it, and I will go to the model. And if you see here, the mirror sketch is the outside of the body, so I will drop it on the body so it will come inside the body. Now I will select the sketch 2 and I will say extrude cut and I will say through all. Okay, same way I will select the mirror sketch, I will say extrude cut and I will say through all. Now we will mirror this to our cutout with respect to our horizontal plane, this plane. So I will go on the mirror tool, select pocket 1 and pocket 2, and I will switch to the isometric. I will say OK. So I wanted to mirror with XY plane, so I will select here XY plane. I will say OK. Now we have successfully made our inner features. Now we will make the cutout, this feature here. So for that I will switch to the isometric view and I will say sketch, and I will draw a 3-point arc to 3-point arc, and I will join this and this. So now I will make coincident or merge simply. Okay, and I will select my this. Either you can project geometry and make it equal, or you can give the dimensions. So better I will go with the given dimensions. So it is a 154. So our outer radius 154 divided by 277. So I will select this and I will give radius of 77. Okay, and this radius is 120, sorry, diameter 122. So 122 divided by 2, 61. So I will give this radius 61. Now here are the angle are the 15 degree. 15, 15. So if we see here, this is the our sketch is not fully constrained, so we will work out in it why it is not fully constrained. So the problem is that this cutout should be pointed to the our center point, which is not pointing right now here. So that's why our sketch is fully movable. So for that we will draw a construction line with join this and join this, and we will make these two lines as a construction line, and we will make these two lines as a tangent, because in FreeCAD I did not see the collinear option. So same way I will make this and this as a tangent. So now our sketch is fully constrained. Now I will close the sketch and I will cut it and I will say through all. Now I will polar pattern it, so I will select my pocket 3. So it is automatically took the axis, so I will give quantity 4. Okay, so we have made this feature also. Now we will add up this hole, so I will select this face and I will say sketch. So for the hole I will draw the construction circle, which is the PCD, pitch central diameter for the circle. I will draw a circle here and I will make it construction. I will make it diameter of 122, and I will draw a 2 circle here for our hole, and I will make these two equal, and diameter of hole is given 12, which you can see here. So I will select this circle and give diameter of 12. Now this is the 30 degree, so same way I will draw a construction line here and here, and both I will make construction, and angle 30 degree, 30 degree. So our sketch is fully constrained, as you can see that. Now I will close it. I will make extrude cut. I will say through all and I will say OK. Now I will polar pattern it. So I will select my cut and I will go here polar pattern, and it automatically took the axis. Oh, now I will give font quantity 4. So this way we have exactly made the friction plate with respect to our sketch, and if you want you can give some minor fillet to this area because sharp corner should be avoided. So this is how to model friction plate in FreeCAD, and this is all about this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. If you like this video and my way of teaching, then you can buy a cup of coffee for me. Link is given in the video descriptions. I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.